Welcome to the Austrian German tutorial. In this video, we're gonna take a look at 10 Viennese words that help you when you visit Vienna. In case you might miss the one or the other word, the reason might be that I've already produced a video about 10 important Austrian words. You can find it in the upper right hand corner. So let's prepare for your trip to Vienna. Let's start with the word Steffl. Steffl is the short word for the St. Stephen's Cathedral in Vienna. The long word would be Stephansdom. The second word we take a look at is Öffis. Öffis is the short form of Öffentliche Verkehrsmittel and means public transport. One example of an Öffi is BIM. BIM is the brief version of Straßenbahn, which can be translated as tram. The name comes from the sound of its warning signal, bim bim. A similar word like bim is baba, but it means something completely different. Baba is an informal way to say goodbye in Vienna. In general, you may come across baba all over Austria. Another important Viennese term is Parata. Parata is the famous amusement park in Vienna. This is the place where you can find the Wiener Riesenrad. When you visit Vienna, you may try the well-known Wiener Schnitzel. The Schnitzel is a thin slice of meat which is breaded before frying. For the original Wiener Schnitzel, veal has to be used. If other types of meat are used, it is just called Viennese style. While eating a Schnitzel, you might drink an Achtel wine. A Achtel is a glass of wine. It is an eighth of a liter. Additionally, you will have to deal with the Wiener Schmäh. Schmäh can be translated as joke or humor. In Vienna, it sometimes may appear a little bittersweet. Furthermore, Herst is a very common term in Vienna. Literally, Herst means listen in English or senti in Italian. But in Vienna, it is used when people are surprised or angry. For instance, Herst oder. Finally, the word harbour is used in Vienna as well. Harbour is an informal term for a friend. Sometimes it is used with a negative connotation. I hope this video helped you for preparing a trip to Vienna. See you in the next Austrian German tutorial. Have a nice day.